Hi, my name is Sam, and this is me, smiling. And this is my family, Ashley and Janice. I love you guys. I'm here to share my dream, which is
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Every night and every cloudy day, spread my wings and fly away.
yes, I do believe I can build a flying machine that I can ride on. We all living in the best time so far to build a flying object. I've myself been designing various drones in the past years. This is a prototype that I want to scale up. Let me go over a couple benefits of this design. The first, center of gravity. So when you have center of gravity above the control, it's hard to balance. But when it's under, it's much easier. And second, easy to get off. For example, you go on a ski trip and you take it to the top of mountain and there's not much of landing space. You can just make it hover and then you take off and then make it follow you. And third, emergency situation. If you have a crash, it shouldn't happen, but we have to prepare for that, right? Since the center of gravity is here, when you crash, the bottom comes first. Then we can have an airbag pops out on the bottom and parachute on the top. Let's see how well it's flying. Okay, it's flying so well. Only thing I need to do is scale it up. I've been a software engineer for 6 years, especially in robotics and drones. I provided solutions to companies like AT&T and Microsoft, and recently I've been working on a military drone project. I majored in electrical engineering, and my dad is a mechanical engineer. I was a professional carpenter, so I'm confident I have what it takes. So please back my dream, and I want to make you fly too. Thank you for watching.